We'll guide you through how to do email marketing with Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard and look for the Marketing and SEO section on the left-hand menu. Click on Email Marketing to get started. This will take you to the email marketing page where you can create a new campaign. To create a campaign, click on the Create New Campaign button. You'll see a variety of email templates that you can choose from, depending on your needs, like promotions, newsletters, or announcements. Select a template that suits your purpose. Once you've picked a template, you can customize it by adding your branding elements like your logo, changing the color scheme, and editing the text to fit your message. Don't forget to add a catchy subject line to encourage recipients to open the email. Next, you'll want to set your recipient list. Wix allows you to import your contacts or create a new list. Make sure your contact list is up to date and segmented appropriately for better targeting. Once you've set your audience, you can schedule your email to be sent at a later time or send it immediately. Before sending, it's a good idea to preview your email and send a test email to make sure everything looks perfect. After you send your campaign, you can track its performance in the email marketing section of your Wix dashboard. Look at metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to evaluate the success of your campaign. This data will help you refine future campaigns for even better results. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.